Hello, on this video I want to show you how to set up your Visual Studio 2019 so you can use it to write Python code. So here I have my Visual Studio 2019. This is the version that I have. And now I'm going to Tools and then Get Tools and Features. And then on Workloads, I'm going to check the Python development and then Modify. I'm going to close my Visual Studio and then click on Retry. Alright, and after about 4 minutes, the install finish. So I'm gonna click on Launch. And then I'm gonna click on Create New Project. I'm gonna search for Python. And I'm gonna click on Python Application. Next. Just give it a name. And then click on Create. Now I'm just gonna type Hello World here. And then I'm gonna run. And if you have a Hello World, then your environment is set up properly. So thanks for watching this video. This is easy and you can do it.